Welcome to WPI's OKC state-of-the-art 90,000 square foot facility, where our dedication to excellence drives our capabilities in industrial equipment, revamps, and custom solutions. For over 100 years, we have been a trusted partner for clients in the oil and gas industry, helping them navigate and overcome their most challenging conditions. Our comprehensive approach begins with a deep understanding of our clients' unique needs and the specific demands of their operations. Whether it's revamping an existing compressor skid to enhance efficiency or modernizing equipment to integrate the latest technologies, our team of experts is here to ensure your equipment performs at its best. At WPI, we specialize in legacy engines or updating engines and compressors into cutting-edge systems. Our services breathe new life into your equipment, extending its lifespan and improving reliability. Maintaining a large inventory of parts is central to our operations. Over half of our facility's square footage is dedicated to parts and overhauls. We carry Waukesha, Ariel, Cat, Murphy, PPS, Champion, Motortech, and many other well-known industry brands. When your engine or compressor requires a replacement part, downtime can be challenging. We have invested millions into stocking what you need, and our service team is ready to respond promptly. Our services are designed to optimize your equipment's functionality and ensure it operates smoothly in the most demanding conditions. From preventive maintenance to complete overhauls, our skilled technicians apply their extensive knowledge and experience to deliver results that exceed expectations. It is not idle boast to say our facility in OKC for revamping and upgrading equipment is truly state-of-the-art. We have 6 assembly bays, a dedicated tear-down bay, a wash bay, and a paint booth. Additionally, there are 30 highly trained engine and compressor technicians and service personnel ready to ensure that your equipment performs as intended. We employ well-documented processes and the highest quality components to deliver solutions that meet the stringent requirements of the oil and gas industry. Choose WPI for your industrial equipment needs and experience the difference that a century of expertise and innovation can make. We're here to help you face any challenge and achieve your goals with confidence.